Wow, this place is beautiful. I didn't expect the museum to be so modern inside.
Yes, they renovated it last year. The lighting and layout are all new.
It really makes a difference. Everything feels more open and elegant.
Exactly. They wanted visitors to feel relaxed while looking at the paintings, not rushed.
That's smart. I always feel like museums are too quiet and serious.
True. But this one tries to make art feel more approachable.
I like that. Oh, look at this painting. The flowers look almost real.
Yes, that's one of the most popular pieces here. It's called Spring Harmony. The artist used several layers of oil paint to get that texture.
It almost looks like you can touch the petals. The colors are so soft.
He spent 6 months just working on the lighting effect. Notice how the light seems to come from the left side?
Yes, it makes the painting feel alive. Was he a local artist?
Yes, he was born in this city. Most of his work focuses on nature and emotion. Very peaceful themes.
I can feel that. It's very calming. I think that's why people stop here longer.
Definitely. This room is the most visited one in the museum.
Do they change the exhibitions often?
Every 3 months. Next season, they'll have a photography collection from Northern Europe.
Oh, I love photography. Do you know what kind of pictures they'll show?
Mostly landscapes, mountains, forests, and lakes. It's called Whispers of Nature.
That sounds amazing. I might come back for that.
You should. The museum also offers evening tours with music sometimes.
Really? That must be such a nice atmosphere.
Yes, the lights are dimmed, and there's live piano music in the background. It feels almost magical.
I'd love to experience that. Do you come here often?
Quite often, yes. I like to spend some time here on weekends. It helps me relax.
I can see why. It's quiet and the architecture itself is art.
Absolutely. The marble floors, the soft lighting, everything was designed to match the mood of the paintings.
They did a great job. Even the frames are elegant without being distracting.
Exactly. The curator believes simplicity makes the artwork stand out.
That's true. I feel like I could spend hours here just observing details.
Take your time. There's no rush. The cafe downstairs also has a great view of the garden if you want to rest later.
Ooh, that sounds perfect. Do they serve coffee?
Yes, and some homemade pastries. Their lemon tart is really good.
You're making me hungry now.
Let's finish this section and then grab a coffee downstairs.
Deal. But first, I want to take one more look at that painting. It's my favorite so far.
Good choice. That one never fails to impress.